Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Emma and Ben.
Hi. How's everyone doing today?
I hope you're all feeling happy and ready to learn. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Today we have a very fun topic.
Yes, today we are talking about adjectives.
Adjectives. Oh, I like adjectives. They make sentences more fun.
Exactly. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They tell us more about people, places, or things.
Like if I say, the dog is big. Big is the adjective.
Yes, Ben. And adjectives can describe size, color, shape, feeling, number, and many more things.
So, adjectives describe nouns. Can you give more examples, Elma?
Sure. Look at these examples. The apple is red. Red is the adjective describing the apple. She is happy. Happy describes the person. The house is small. Small describes the house.
Oh, so adjectives make sentences more interesting.
Exactly. Without adjectives, sentences are very simple.
Like, the cat is cat. Not very nice.
Yes, better. The black cat is very cute. Much better. Let's talk about some types of adjectives.
Okay, I love lists.
First, adjectives of size: small, big, tall, short.
For example, the small dog runs fast.
Or, the tall man helps me.
Nice. Next,
Adjectives of color: red, blue, green, yellow.
I have a red car. Easy.
Adjectives of feeling or emotion: happy, sad, excited, tired.
She is happy today. Or he feels tired after work.
Perfect. And don't forget adjectives of shape: round, square, long, short.
The table is round. The box is square.
Great. And we can also describe number with adjectives: one, two, many, few.
I have 3 apples. She has many friends.
Exactly. Adjectives are everywhere in English.
Emma, let's make a little story with adjectives for our listeners.
Yes, let's do it.
Once upon a time, there was a small brown dog named Max.
Max loved to play in the big green garden.
Every morning, he felt happy and excited.
One day, he saw a long blue snake in the garden.
Oh no, Max was very scared.
But then he saw that the snake was friendly and just wanted to play.
So Max became brave and made a new fun friend.
Wow, that story has a lot of adjectives: small, brown, big, green, happy, excited.
Listeners, try to make your own story with adjectives. It's very fun and helps you remember words.
Emma, I have a little tricky thing to teach today: the order of adjectives.
Order? Oh, do adjectives need to go in a special order?
Sometimes, yes. In English, we often follow this order: opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, noun.
Wow, that's a lot. Can we try an example?
Sure, look at this. I have a beautiful, small, old, round, red Italian wooden table.
That's very descriptive. Beautiful is opinion. Small is size. Old is age. Round is shape. Red is color. Italian is origin. Wooden is material. And then table.
Yes. Don't worry if you forget the order. Just use adjectives and your listener will understand.
True. Communication is more important than perfect order.
Next, let's talk about comparative and superlative adjectives.
What are those?
Comparative adjectives compare two things. We often add er or use more. Example? My house is bigger than your house.
Oh, I see. And superlative?
Superlative adjectives show the most or the best. We often add est or use most.
Example?
This is the biggest house in the street.
Fun. So we can say happy, happier, happiest, or beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful.
Exactly. Okay, time for a fun game.
Yes, let's see if our listeners can guess the adjective.
I will describe something and you think of the adjective. Ready?
Ready.
It is a fruit. It is red and sweet.
Oh, the adjective is red and sweet. Maybe an apple.
Good. Next, this is a person. They are very kind and friendly.
The adjectives are kind and friendly.
Last one. This animal is very big and gray.
Elephant. The adjectives are big and gray.
Great. Adjectives make English colorful and fun. Wow, today we learned a lot about adjectives, what they are, types of adjectives, making stories with adjectives, the order of adjectives, comparative and superlative forms.
And we played a fun game.
Yes, remember, adjectives help you describe people, places, things, and feelings.
Try to use at least one adjective in your sentences every day.
Thank you so much for listening to us today.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this episode.
Yes, and leave a comment with your favorite adjective.
Have fun practicing your English, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.